Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing about Hartford Auto Insurance. Is Hartford and Liberty Mutual the same company? Yes, definitely. The Hartford and Liberty Mutual are both well-known companies in the insurance industry. The Hartford was founded in 1810 and Liberty Mutual was founded in 1912. The Hartford is owned by its shareholders. As it is a publicly traded company, the biggest shareholders are the Vanguard Group, BlackRock, and State Street Corp, which have a combined ownership stake of almost 25% according to public records. The Hartford Healthcare Portal is a secure network for affiliated physicians and select employees. It is a web-based portal which allows access to system from home or office. Click here to go directly to the HHC portal. Claim satisfaction. JD Power. Excellent. The Hartford was among the top-rated companies in JD Power's 2021 evaluation of auto insurance claim satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. JD Power. Above average. JD Power rated the Hartford better than average in terms of overall customer satisfaction. Bodily injury liability insurance, which helps pay for medical expenses if you hurt someone in a car accident. Property damage liability insurance to help pay for car accident and damage if you are in a collision. Personal liability insurance, which helps protect you if guests are injured in your property. The Hartford is a leader in property and casualty insurance, group benefits, and mutual funds. University of Hartford is ranked number 213 in National University Schools are ranked according to their performance across a set of widely accepted indicators of excellence. I hope this video has helped you know more about Hartford Auto Insurance. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Thanks for watching.